In this video, I will explain a logical, statistical, and mathematical function of Microsoft Excel called CountIf. Pay your attention while watching this video to understand the process better. Let's begin. The CountIf function counts the number of cells that fulfill conditions. It has the following syntax and belongs to the statistical category of functions. CountIf equals, open parenthesis, range, comma, criteria, close parenthesis. 1. Select the cell range to be evaluated. This can be a range, a column, or a row, or it might be a single value. If you've generated a name range, put a comma after it. 2. Put the criteria in quotations and type them in. The criteria might be a number, a cell reference, or an expression to finish the statement, such as greater than 100, or text followed by a parenthesis. Formula. Any criteria, such as greater than 100, must be placed between quote marks. An alternate way. Step 1. Select Insert Function or the Insert Function button next to the Formula bar on the Formulas tab. Step 2. Type CountIf into the search box, then choose between Go and Enter. Alternatively, change the category from most recently used to statistical or select a category drop-down menu. Step 3. Click OK or Enter after selecting CountIf from the list of functions. Alternatively, pick more functions from the Formulas menu, then Statistical, then CountIf. Finally, the dialog window for function arguments appear. Step 4. In the range box, type the cell range you want Excel to compare to a criteria. This might be a named range, an entire column or row, or a named range you've constructed. Step 5. Type the criteria you want Excel to consider in the criteria box. Numbers, cell references, phrases like greater than 100, and text can all be used as criteria. This was all from my side to guide you about Microsoft Excel's built-in function called CountIf. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.